Hi, Group 2 and 3. Here are your spelling words for your test this week. The first word is minute. You will have 1 minute to put your things away and transition. Minute. Number 2 is visit. On the weekend, I like to visit my grandpa. Visit. Number 3 is lemon. My favorite type of cake is lemon cake. Lemon. Number 4 is river. Yesterday, my dad and I went fishing on the river. River. Number 5 is pilot. When we were boarding the plane, I saw the pilot getting ready. Pilot. Number 6 is easy. I've been practicing my math facts, and now they seem so easy. Easy. Number 7 is sneaker. I stepped in mud and got it all over my sneaker. Sneaker. Number 8 is second. Last year, you were in 2nd grade. Second. Number 9 is frozen. Friday night, we had frozen pizza for dinner. Frozen. Number 10 is peanut. On my walk home, I saw a squirrel eating a peanut. Peanut. Number 11 is never. Please make sure you never run in the hallway. Never. Number 12 is planet. I was reading a science fiction book about aliens from a different planet. Planet. Number 13 is human. In science, we are studying the human skeleton. Human. Number 14 is reason. Make sure on your test you write down your reason for your answer. Reason. Number 15 is present. I got my friend a present for her birthday. Present.